Hi students, welcome to the video lecture of Modeling and Analysis Lab. Today we will be solving experiment number 9, that is simply supported beam subjected to point load and uniformly distributed load. So this is the beam which is fixed at extreme ends A and D, and a uniformly distributed load is applied between B and C, that is for element number 3, 2, and a point load of 4 kilonewton is applied at node number 2. Aim is to obtain shear force diagram SFD, bending moment diagram BMD, and reaction forces at the supports for a rectangular cross section beam having area 0.2 meter into 0.3 meter and Young's modulus 210 gigapascal. Area is equal to 0.2 into 0.3, that is 0.06 meter square. Moment of inertia BH cube divided by 12, 0.2 into 0.3 cube divided by 12, that is 0.00045 meter raised to 4. Height is equal to 0.3 meter and Young's modulus is given by 2.1 into 10 raised to 11 Newton per meter square. Now let us solve it in the software. So to solve it in the software, you need to go for Start, All Programs, ANSYS 10. Here you need to click on ANSYS. The first step is to go for Preferences and select Structural. Say OK. Now go for Preprocessor and select Element Type, Add, Edit or Delete, Add. Click on Beam and select 2D Elastic. Say OK and close this window. Now I'll go for Real Constant to enter the area, moment of inertia and height of the beam. That is 0.06 is the area, 0.00045 is the moment of inertia, 0.3 is the height of the beam. Say OK and close this window. Now I'll go for material properties. In this I'll select material models, structural, linear, elastic, isotropic. I'll enter the Young's modulus as 2.1 e raised to 11. Click on OK and close this window. Now I'll go for modeling. Here you need to create 4 nodes. Second node is at 1.5 meter apart, third node is at 2.5 meter, and fourth node is 4 meter apart. Create nodes in active coordinate system. Node number 1 is at the origin. Node number 2 is at 1.5 meter apart. Node number 3 is at 2.5 meter apart. Node number 4 is at 4 meter apart from the origin. Say OK. 4 nodes are created now. I'll create the element now. Elements, auto numbered, through nodes. Select element node number 1 and 2 to create element number 1. Node number 2 and 3 to create element number 2. Node number 3 and 4 to create element number 3. Say OK now. Now I'll go for loads. If you see, node number 1 and 4 is fixed in y direction. At element number 2 you need to apply a uniformly distributed load of 2 kilonewton per meter, and at node number 2 you need to apply a point load of 4 kilonewton. So loads, define loads, apply, structural, displacement on nodes. Node number 1 and 4 is fixed. It is fixed in y direction. So displacement value is given 0 and say OK. Now I will apply a point load, force or moment on nodes. Node number 2 is selected. Say OK. So it is acting in y direction and in downwards, that is minus 4000 is the value. So you can check, it is minus 4000. So uniformly distributed load is of 2 kilonewton. So pressure on beams, select element number 2, say OK. So here 2000 and 2000 you need to enter the value. Say OK. Say OK. Now all the boundary conditions are given. I'll go for option solution and say solve current load step. OK. Solution is done now. I can view SFD and BMD by creating the element table. So define table, add by sequence number SMISC2, by sequence number SMISC6, by sequence number 8, by sequence number 12. Say OK and close this window. Now go for plot results, counter plot, line element results, 2 and 8 for SFD. So this is the SFD, and 6 and 12 for BMD. 6 and 12 for BMD. Okay, kindly compare it with the journal, whatever you have got manually. Thank you. We'll meet in the next experiment.